1. Hello everyone. Hope you happy in learning English. Today we'll learn negative and question form of going to in future. We form negative in the going to future by placing not after to be such as I am going to study. I am not going to study. We form question in the going to future by placing to be in front of the subject such as you are going to study. Are you going to study? Let's change these sentences to the negative form and to the question form. 1. Frame and Kat are going to wait for us. 2. John is going to take a vacation. 3. We are going to go to the movies tonight. 4. Corin is going to start working there on Monday. 5. She is going to pay him a good salary. 6. They are going to move to California next month. Corn. Do you know the answers? Let's try together. 1. Frame and Kat are not going to wait for us, or are Frame and Kat going to wait for us? 2. John is not going to take a vacation, or is John going to take a vacation? 3. We are not going to go to the movies tonight, or are we going to go to the movies tonight? 4. Corin is not going to start working there on Monday, or is Corin going to start working there on Monday? 5. She is not going to pay him a good salary, or is she to pay him a good salary? 6. They are not going to move to California next month, or are they going to move to California next month? Happy in learning English.